Hi guys, welcome to my channel and new video. This time I'm gonna want to do a workbench for future machinery. I'm planning to get metal lathe, which gonna be here where the wood lathe is at the moment, and wood lathe gonna go here on this side. So first job is to clear this out. There's a pile of rusty vices and restoration projects. So yeah, I'm gonna clear it up and start building the frame for the workbench. Under the workbench I want to have some drawers and storage shelves. So I think, yeah, it's gonna be cool. I have pretty cool ideas for the handles and yeah, project. But anyway, I don't have any plans, so as normally we're just gonna be improvising as we go along. Hope you enjoy the video. The project is done now. All I need to do is just do a little bit of sanding. Varnish was drying off for 2 days. Yeah, it feels good. I already put some stuff in the drawers on my pliers here. I'm probably gonna change the layout of stuff, but that's my hammers. Some power tools here. What I did off camera as well, I added them two doors, so 1 and 2. I'm gonna have metal lathe and wood turning lathe on the worktop, so them drawers probably gonna be dedicated for metal turning tools and wood turning tools like them, chisels here. Yeah, I'm quite pleased with the handles. They look unique. Yeah, handles for them doors, I just use the same hardware I used for wrenches handles. So yeah, let me know what you think. Tell me if you enjoyed this video. That's probably gonna be the first video of the series of the videos dedicated workshop improvements. Yeah, I don't have a big space here. Let me just do a quick workshop tour so I can just spin around and you can see everything. Next project probably gonna be this drawer, maybe, I don't know. But yeah, like you can see, not much here. So there's gonna be a few videos about workshop improvements. I'll show you a few I think quite creative ways of organizing the space and working in a small workshop.